It's folded like a taco.
It looks like it's going really well for Casey right now.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on Logan's Subaru. What do we have? The cheapest exhaust that you can buy on the planet.
It's the nicest.
If you say so. I don't know.
So this is a catback?
What would be a catback if you had a cat?
If you had a cat, this is off-road use only.
Off-road use only, so my downpipe is a catless downpipe. It's very loud.
And this is a, $300 eBay special.
$229.
Is that free shipping?
$229.
$229 free shipping.
I'm sure it looks as good as it did in the pictures.
I'm sure it's just as good as the one we put on the BMW.
But hopefully it's quieter because he has no mufflers on right now, no cat. So we're going to take this neighbor hater off of it.
Yeah, it's
We're going to put something on a little bit quieter.
Yeah. We're going to download an app to see if we can get some decimal levels and maybe test the before and after just so we can see what it sounds like. Maybe the difference.
So we're going to get this thing unboxed, see what it looks like. I'm sure it's quality, and we will get to the video.
That's right.
This is not a BMW video, but we are going to see if we put a new sensor on it. So we're going to see if we get rid of those four-wheel drive lights, and
My money's on no.
I'm going to go with no.
Start first.
I may go with no on that as well.
It may not start.
Yeah, so we're going to see what it does also in this video.
Casey, what are you doing? Resetting everything again?
Yeah, of course. BMW.
It does smell good in there.
They should come with an all-tail scanner.
That should come with a money-back guarantee.
We're taking a little detour here while Casey's resetting the codes on the BMW. And we had some pretty bad weather this past week. This is my utility trailer. This was my utility trailer.
It's salvageable. No.
Yeah. So fronts bashed in pretty good. It definitely broke these welds right there. The back, it doesn't look good at all.
I have great news though, YouTube. Zip ties are phenomenal. They're still on there, but the tail lights in 2 billion feet. So
We definitely had
use your zip ties.
zip ties holding that sucker on.
Check this out.
I mean, it
Wow.
definitely did some damage on that sucker.
It's folded. It's folded like a taco. Unbelievable.
It looks like it's going really well for Casey right now.
Look at the sky. It may rain. It has those sensors in the windshield that recognize when I spit on it a minute ago. See, so now we are inside this fresh and clean BMW, and the codes look a little different. Casey, is that right?
Yeah, so we basically got a yellow brake light now, and we got the traction control light.
Was it red?
No, but we haven't had this squirrely 4x4 light.
Yeah, it means just we're out of control, sitting still.
Yeah,
so.
we're just out of control. So we're going to take it for a little toot here.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. Who knows? We might not make it off the hill. It's pretty.
I don't know.
It's okay. We'll survive.
Oh, son.
We got. What happened?
Oh, we've got no lights. All we needed to do, we got a nice shift. That's a cold shift. All we have is the
Tire light.
tire light on. We have that unhooked. That's not good. Oh, we got something.
What's that light?
I don't know.
We just got a donut with an exclamation point in it. Well, it's not a donut, it's a gear. I don't know. We're still driving.
We don't know what the gear with the exclamation point is. Luckily, I didn't bring my phone or anything.
I didn't either. Don't worry, we got you guys, huh?
Yeah, you guys can help us with that. What's a gear with an exclamation point in it?
Yeah.
It almost seems like the transmission slipped. Now, I did do a lot of relearning on some stuff right here whenever we was trying to figure out some of that stuff. So I cleared all the adaptations. It didn't like apparently a 3/4 shift right there. And I don't know if we're in first or not. I've not had this happen yet.
Yeah.
I don't want to go up no big hills. I don't even know if we can shift into reverse. So we're gonna try to do a U-ey.
Hey, you did it. Success. What about if we start and restart? Stop and restart.
Race codes.
We still have the little light. Oh, no, went
I
off.
just done that.
In case you did that.
Don't worry.
I don't recall it doing that even when we drove it last time without
It
the
didn't.
four-wheel drive.
It didn't.
So some new symptoms here have appeared. When we got all the codes cleared, it started to lose its mind. All right, we're back. We'll put you up for a minute and see what happens. See what we can figure out.
So we've moved on from the BMW. We're gonna check the fluid in the transmission. We're hoping that's gonna be the issue. Now, we're on to the exhaust.
On our off-road. Oh, excuse that.
Look at these. This is racing slicks.
Garage use only.
Yeah, so
We're gonna fire it up for you guys and let you hear it. And then we're gonna change the exhaust and see if it's a little bit quieter.
hopefully.
I doubt it. It's gonna be much louder.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to leave the resonator in the end of it.
So let's get it fired up. We'll get a little sound clip going and then start taking it apart. All right, so Logan's climbing up in it. I'm gonna reset our sound meter here. We're gonna kind of go right here. This is a cold start.
That was only 3,500 RPMs.
So 3,500 RPMs. We had a max dB of 105.
And a
And that was what? A foot and a half away from it? At least.
And we got tons of smoke in here. Let's open this door.
this thing's smoking like cheap and cheap.
All right, we got your standard 1-inch exhaust on here. It looks like. I've seen a bigger exhaust on Briggs & Stratton. Alright guys, so I'm about the same distance away. I got the old decibel meter out here. He's going to do a cold start with the new no-name exhaust. Started making it a little deeper, right?
It gives it a little bit more throaty, doesn't it?
Yeah.
This might be a little bit louder.
All right.
Ready?
Justin's taking the baffle out. Here we go. Get a little bit further back, let you guys hear this thing. Go ahead. That sounds pretty good. One more time. All right, guys, that was a little sound clip of your $229 no-name brand, non-branded, eBay branded exhaust. So that's what it's going to sound like if you want that exhaust.
It does sound better, honestly.
I think it's cool. I think it's better.
Yeah.
I don't know how accurate that sound meter is.
No, it definitely doesn't sound as loud,
Yeah.
even though it technically was louder.
It said it was on the thing.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, it's just it was a free app.
So
What do you expect?
Yeah.
Apples and oranges.
So far, we like it. Logan's going to take it for a rip down the road and wake up the neighbors. Justin, you going to put that on your Subaru?
Maybe. It might be worth it.
You know what? It actually says that it's made for an Impreza.
Yeah, I'm definitely putting it on there. Mine's non turbo though, but it is running. So that's positive. You may see it soon for sale.
Alright guys, here is the sound clip of him pulling out. Here he comes back.
Presto changeo.
Cuz?
It went from a Subaru to again the BMW and it's home. Casey, what are you doing now?
I'm checking the training fluid.
Tell them why.
I'm checking out this exhaust.
Logan, tell them what happened.
Oh, you know, they took it for a drive and all the lights went out. So they got to the bottom of the driveway, ABS light went out,
Yep.
4x4 light went out.
Yep.
And then, what'd y'all get, 100 yards?
Maybe, if that.
100 yards, and all of a sudden it didn't want to shift.
Yeah, it shifted, hard shifted, and then the second hard shift it did, it sent a light on with another code, so maybe the fluid level is low.
Casey's going for a little drive in it. What did you say? You got the code with 4 to 3 downshift that time?
Okay, guys, so pretty successful night tonight. We got the exhaust done. Sounds pretty good. I think Logan is going to put that baffle back in it to quieten it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Still pretty loud.
Yeah.
But the biggest news tonight, I think, more so than that, because that was a pretty easy job, was the BMW. So what we ended up doing was we put a new brake lamp switch, and that's down there at the brake pedal, and that's what was causing all of our four-wheel drive codes. We did have a code for that, but we wasn't sure if that was the exact cause of it. So we put that in there. Also, in the meantime, while we've done that, I reset all the adaptations in the TCM, the control module. So in doing that, I think that's what gave us that issue on that 3 to 4 shift that we were having. It was kind of slipping. Yeah. So we drove it around quite a bit, and the more we drove it, the better that shift got. Mm-hmm. So we're going to let it cool down, everything cool down, let all that fluid cool down tonight, and Logan is going to take it for another drive tomorrow with the cool fluid in it to see if it does a better shift. So, and if that does it, we'll put several more miles on it. Justin will, taking it back and forth to work.
Yeah, I can't wait. I'm so excited.
Guinea pig.
Just remember, we might need a tow.
That's right. So hopefully everything is sorted on this thing. The only thing that we have left is we got a module that's bad on the TPMS, the front right. We're going to replace that module and an O2 sensor. That's the only 2 codes we have right now. Yep. So
downstream.
That's right, downstream O2. So we'll get that replaced, and then again
charge the AC.
We'll charge the AC, and we will send this puppy to its new owner.
Yeah, hopefully we will.
Justin.
Yeah, it'll be with me for a little while. I may fall in love with it. I highly doubt it. But yeah, it's pretty successful night with this and the Subaru. The Subaru is definitely louder, but that's okay. It's still ricey. We're turning Logan into a man now. We put him a little bit bigger pipe on there. So I think that's it for the night. We're gonna close up shop. We're gonna go home. So remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and smash that thumbs up button, guys.
Thanks for watching.